If you're handling personal information in your business, no matter how small it is, you've got to comply with the UK GDPR and the Data Protection Act 2018 to help demonstrate and build accountability. This assists you in keeping data safe and secure, which can help you to avoid data breaches that can result in reputational damage and sometimes even costly fines. That's where a data protection gap analysis comes into play. In this video, we'll explain what it is, how to do it, and why it matters for your business. A data protection gap analysis is like giving your business a data protection checkup. It helps you figure out whether you're doing what you're supposed to under the UK GDPR and DPA 18. It focuses on finding the differences between where you are now and where you should be. Once you know the gaps, you can fix them. First things first, get a team together who knows the UK GDPR and DPA 18 and understands how they apply to your business. This can be an external company, such as Boo Consulting, or an internal data protection or governance team. You also need to involve the key people from each department to really know your business well. Next, take stock of all the personal data you're collecting. Find out what you're collecting, how you're using it, who you're sharing it with, and where you're keeping it. After that, take a good look at your organization's policies, procedures, and controls. Check if they match up with what the UK GDPR and DPA 18 require and identify any places where you have gaps. You can then come up with plans to amend existing or implement new documentation or controls. The UK GDPR is all about protecting the data of UK citizens. It's your job to make sure your organization is collecting, using, and sharing data the way the UK GDPR says you should. Doing a data protection gap analysis is a smart move for your business. It helps you see where you stand with the UK GDPR and DPA 18 compliance, find problem areas, and make plans to fix them. Boo Consulting offers gap analyses, audits, and a number of other services to help you on your compliance journey.